In an uncertain and volatile market driven by external factors such as geopolitical policies, threats, conflicts, investors may need or wish to realign aspects of their investment portfolio away from the noise and move to the quiet. The quiet doesn't necessarily mean liquidate into cash, bonds, or GICs and wait out the noise, more so to bolster the investment portfolio with stability and predictability in hard assets like real estate and infrastructure. Amid the noise, the volatility in markets and economy, investors would agree that shelter, food, health, and comfort are essentials. This is the space that Skyline delivers through active management in strategic and selective market exposures. Skyline Apartment REIT, housing. Skyline Retail REIT, food and health. Skyline Industrial REIT, distribution of goods, for example, food and health. Skyline Clean Energy Fund, the generation of electricity and renewable natural gas. In Canada, our population, while flattening, it doesn't imply that all cities, towns, or communities are stagnant and flat. Since the pandemic, we have experienced a trend of de-urbanization, the movement out of major metro cities and into the suburbs or rural areas. These locations are the foundation to much of Skyline's investment strategy. Today, approximately 30% of Canada's population reside in the big six cities: Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. Therefore, approximately 70% reside in the secondary and tertiary markets. Skyline Apartment REIT, home to approximately 50,000 Canadians by delivering mid-market apartment rentals across 6 provinces and 48 secondary or tertiary communities. Skyline Retail REIT, the retail location of choice to essential-focused retailers such as grocers, pharmacies, banks, and quick-service restaurants, spanned across 5 million square feet through 5 provinces and 64 communities, also in secondary and tertiary communities. Skyline Industrial REIT, logistics-focused distribution and warehouse facilities moving goods across the country into both urban and rural markets, spanned across 10 million square feet in 5 provinces and 51 communities. Skyline Clean Energy Fund, producing over 450 million kilowatt hours electricity and renewable natural gas, equivalent to powering over 12,000 homes across 87 assets, 85 in solar and 2 biogas. Investing in what are arguably life's necessities is more than just buy and park. To ensure these essential-based funds are relevant and attractive to its customers, while optimizing its investors' returns, requires more than just property-level management. Active asset management takes it to the next level, with debt financing, value-enhancing capital investment, repositioning, and development. Further, active management at the portfolio level involves acquisitions in locations that the fund sees as accretive through investment into or expansion into. It also includes strategic dispositions in locations that the fund sees as mature, potentially reaching its peak value, or the location is stagnant economically, giving reason to sell to crystallize gains and redeploy into identified accretive opportunities. This is also not a one-and-done approach. Portfolio analysis, evaluation, and strategic moves should be continuous, active, and therefore proactive. In the next episodes, we will highlight each of Skyline's investment funds and how they could position your investment portfolio in a stable and predictable state.